Welcome to the channel. My name is Ophir, and today we are going to learn how to create an orbit animation in Framer where elements revolve around a central image. Let's begin. As you can see, at the center of the page I have a larger image, and around it I have smaller images, 8 smaller images. What I want to do is first lock the larger image by pressing the keyboard shortcut CTRL L. Then I want to select all the 8 smaller images and hit the keyboard shortcut by pressing CTRL Enter so that the smaller images will be placed in a frame. Next, I want to head over to the right panel and click on Effects and then select Loop. As you can see, I have 360 degrees in the rotate field, so I'm going to leave it at that. What I will change is the transition. So I'm going to click on linear, and then I'm going to change the time from 1 second to about 30 seconds. Now let's hit preview and see what happens. As you can see, the smaller images revolve around the larger image, which is cool. But as you also can see, they turned upside down, which I don't want. So now let's see how to fix that. So I'm going to select the frame and then copy the effect. Then when the frame is already selected, I'm going to press Enter to select all the child elements, and I'm going to paste it inside Effects, just like that. Next, I want to click here on Effect, and here just change the number to -360 degrees. So the effect will be the opposite, so the child elements and the frame element effect will cancel each other. Let's see the preview. As you can see, the smaller elements are not turning upside down anymore. And that's exactly what I wanted. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.